Now this is GBTC. I wanted to show you this too. I didn't show you earlier in the other video. Um, GBTC. Let me. Okay, there you go. I'm my own producer, writer, executor, and whatever. So follow along with me. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. It's not really a trust. It's an ETF now. Okay, it's just called a trust, but I don't know why it doesn't say it's an ETF up here in the name. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's an ETF, right? We all know that it's an ETF. Now, what's different about ETFs and trusts? What I notice is, does anybody else notice the same thing? That these ETFs are optionable. So you can write options on this, so you can own them and then write a call or a put or do whatever you want to do with it. And they have options, which is, I like to get into options a little bit here and there. I don't, probably once Grayscale and all these things have eased down, the dust settles, I don't want to be using any cash for options right now. I want to just let it ride. And when the time comes, after the dust settles, after the bull run is finally here and done with, it would be nice to get into something like these options here. And if you don't know anything about options, I mean, there's a lot of stuff out there. There's a lot of BS, of course. Just like all the stocks and these ETFs and these people with these high yield dividend stuff. Getting into this could be if you fine tune yourself. These options are a fantastic thing to get into. But I just wanted to mention that. Let me see. Let me ask the AI chat message what. Okay. Are stock trusts optionable? Okay, so basically, what I get here is that some are optionable, but it could be that in the future you're going to see Litecoin. You're going to have options for Litecoin, depending what Grayscale does. How they set themselves up, but that's something to look forward to. That brings in a lot of people, a lot of investors, a lot of traders, and they just want in and out. The great thing about it is that it just adds liquidity to the market, and you're not stuck with the spreads. No, not this one, but between the bid and ask price, they become smaller when you have a lot of trading. That's the thing I wanted to mention, that possibly these trusts that are going to become ETFs. It's a very positive thing that they're going to have options, and options is going to bring in a lot of attention, and with time, these are just going to be just like stocks, basically.